What is up, you guys? I am back with some more pack opening because my local game store had an awesome sale last weekend, a couple weekends ago, where everything was 10% off for packs and boxes and 25% off for singles. Please check out my other videos if you want to see some of the other packs that I opened, but I'm going to only be opening 3 in this video and we'll keep it kind of short. So first, I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to start with the Lost Caverns of Ixalan. Get into this pack here. Didn't have a lot of great luck on my first one with this, so we'll see what we have. So treasure token. Just gonna push these up a little bit. Hidden Necropolis. Balamet Brawler. And that's going to be the foil of that. Bone Horde Dragon? Excuse me. Bone Horde Dracosaur? A dinosaur dragon? I beg your unbelievable pardon? Did you say dinosaur dragon? Yes, that's very cool. A Dracosaur? Let's see. This is Mythic 0134, so that is going to be a $13.69 card. It's going to be the best pull of the day for us right now. Pit Offerings. Calamitous Cave-In. Bitter Triumph. Tithing Blade. Oh, it looks like this transforms as well. Consuming Spulcher. It's an interesting artifact. Okay. Very nice. Armored Kincaller. A Malamute Scythe. The art on that is pretty. Oaken Siren. Just gonna look that up. I just like the art, so I'm wondering. Oh, no, not worth anything. Just nice. Volatile Wanderglyph. Relic's Roar. I love alliteration, so I think that's awesome when cards are like Relic's Roar. That's awesome. And Deathcap Marionette. I already have this in another one of my decks. I don't really use the mill, but I just love how the art looks. It really goes well with my fungi Death Touch. Envoy of Okinek. Envoy of Okinek Ahu. Ahau. Yeah, it's going to be really embarrassing trying to pronounce all these names, honestly, because I am not really familiar with any of the pronunciation. I've only been playing for about 6 months, and yeah, I've definitely not seen every card that there is out there, so I'm sorry if you hear any rustling in the back. My dog is just getting comfortable. All right, and then another fungus. Oh, that's awesome. Brood Rage Mysoid? I have no idea. Says at the beginning of your end step, if you descended this turn, create a 1/1 black fungus creature token. Interesting. Okay. That's for Caverns. Let's open up Wilds. Alright, we have Treasure Token, Plains, Leyline of Lightning. Now this has to be good. This has to be good, right? This has to be a good card. Lightning. What do we have for this boy? Anything? Do we like this one? Nope, it's worth 2 cents. Okay. Cruel Somnophage has an adventure sorcery. Ruby Daring Tracker. Very excited to get this card. Have seen this played through on Game Through a couple times. And am excited because I just started making a red-green. And this is... Oh, nope, that's the Japanese art. 1 second. Ruby Daring Tracker. There we go. It's an uncommon. It's 13 cents, so not bad, not bad. Also taps for mana. Welcome to Sweettooth. That'll go in my food deck. Lord Skitter's Butcher for rats. That'll probably go in my grist deck when I finally make it. Whenever an enchantment enters the battlefield... Oh, I have Rimefur Reindeer as well. Crystal Grotto. Commune with Nature. Look at the top 5 cards of your library. Reveal a creature card from among them and put it into your hand. So you may do that. Put the rest onto the bottom of your library in any order. Bespoke Battlegarb. Redtooth Genealogist. Voracious Vermin Rat. Water Wings, excuse me. Sweettooth Witch. Diminisher Witch. And that's a cursed roll token to put that. Enchant creature is a 1/1. That makes sense for that picture. They're turning your creature into a 1/1. A Newt. N-E-W-T, Newt. Okay. So there's that little guy. Alright. 1 more to go. Let's see if we can get in here. Oh, I hate when it opens like that. Okay. There we go. Kavu Primarch. Kavu. This is going to be the prime. Yeah, Kavu Primarch. Coal Stoker. Cloud of Faeries. That's a fun art. Renewed Faith. You gain 6 life. You can also cycle. When you cycle Renewed Faith, you may gain 2 life. That's pretty cool. Twisted Experiment. Festering Goblin. This is a zombie goblin. Giant Spider with Reach. Oh, goodness. Just peering into my soul with those eyes. Phantom Flock. Suq'Ata Lancer. Wow, that has flanking. That's fun. Pain and Suffering. So we have target player discards a card and destroy target land. You can play one or the other, so that's cool. Aven Aven Fateshaper. Flesh Reaver, Phyrexian Horror, coming out of this Dominaria remastered. Arcanus the Omnipotent. Arcanus the Omnipotent. And this is not any specific type. And that is... okay, that's about 50 cents. The full art right now is going for $4.30, so like the borderless of it. Flametongue Kavu. Okay. And this is gonna be in retro. I wonder. Oh, not much, but not bad either. John gave us this land and another insect, which is perfect because I need to make a grist deck badly. Alright, so some of the best pulls from this video were definitely these couple. I didn't have a whole bunch of pulls this this video. So if you would love to see me make another video with more cards, if you want to see more pack openings, if you want to see a playthrough, if you want to see how I build a deck, please comment below. This is just something that I like to do in my free time. I do have a full-time job, so this is just something for me to do and have a little enjoyment. So please comment, like, share with your friends that play Magic, share with your friends that play Commander, share with your friends that don't play Commander. All are welcome here, and thank you so much for watching.